Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dora. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe so that you can join the family. My subscribers, as usual, you know how we do it. A big virtual hug. Thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. In today's video, I will be talking to you about the 3 silent killers that is actually stopping you from growing healthy hair. Whether your goal is to have long hair, whether your goal is simply to grow healthy hair, you should be doing certain things that will help you to achieve your hair goals. I have discovered that there are only 3 things that will actually help you, that if you master them, if you learn about these 3 things, you should be able to grow healthy hair. Now, growing hair is a skill, and personally I also believe that growing healthy natural hair or growing long hair is like running a successful business. And make sure you also share this video, because sharing is caring. When you share this video, you will help someone out there who is struggling with growing their hair. Silent killer number 1 is a lack of knowledge. Now, lack of knowledge is a big thing. If you do not have information about how to do something in the right way or the proper way, definitely it means that you're going to struggle. The knowledge that has been available has mainly been, knowledge that caters for other types of hair, which also means that if you have this kind of hair, there are chances that, because of the lack of knowledge, you will not be able to learn how to take care of your hair. So my tip for this is educate yourself. Right now there's so much. You can go online, you can go on YouTube and educate yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, but even if you have the knowledge and you don't apply it, then that knowledge is useless. Most women I know have the knowledge, they know all these things, they know the do's and don'ts of what not to do with the curly hair, but still they don't apply. So you can actually have the knowledge, but as long as you don't apply this knowledge, then you are not helping yourself. Silent killer number 2 is using products that are not meant for your hair type. Now, when it comes to products, you also need to spend some time to educate yourself to know what kind of products or what kind of oils would be beneficial specifically for your type of hair. Now, this is not a shortcut, but if you really want to get it right, then you should start doing that. Products facilitates the environment that will help your hair to grow. So try to get products that will help your hair to flourish. Silent killer number 3 is the lack of skill or the lack of technique. When it comes to 4C hair or 4B hair or this type of hair, you need certain skills or techniques that will help you to minimize breakage. Skills like, instead of using combs, brushes on your hair all the time, you can as well finger detangle your hair. Now, these are things that I learned with time over the years, and it has really changed it has been a game changer in my hair growth journey. So this brings me to the end of today's hair care tips. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you share this video with someone out there who is looking for knowledge, who is struggling with growing out their hair. Remember, when we share, we also care for others. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can become a part of this wonderful family where we talk about the basics of how to grow your hair in a simple way, in its natural state, without necessarily spending so much money on hair care products that will not give you the results that you're looking for. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.